Good morning, guys. Another day in Lombok. What an amazing time it's been in Lombok. It's really starting to grow on me. It's a little early in the morning right now. We're supposed to be picked up in 15 minutes, but Lombok has been amazing the last few days. I don't want to say I'm starting to love it more than Bali, but I could be starting to love it more than Bali. The people are just so nice. Driving through all the villages, it's less tourists. There's really honestly not many tourists around. And Sagigi Beach we went to yesterday and just got to hang out, and we took a boat out there and it was just super peaceful, super relaxing. We got some fresh fruits to start the day. We got a little Melissa action to start the day, and we got some breakfast coming for us soon. Honestly, it's been amazing here at Kebun. We got upgraded to our own private one-bedroom villa yesterday with a private pool, which I'll give you guys a tour later on after our tour. Besides that, our private pool villa is beautiful, so you guys will see that later on. We'll get some breakfast and we'll get going. We got the American breakfast to start the day. This is the way to go. Sunny side up all day, baby. Oh, look at him. He's got the GoPro on his head today. Sony, it's a pleasure to meet you, Chris. Pleasure to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. I've been speaking to him. He set everything up with Ekator, so thank you so much, Sony. And we got Hasbi. Good morning. Look at the guy. Look at this going.
Yeah, it's for you.
He's got everything going. I love it. Where are we going to today?
We're going to a village in the central Lombok. The name of the village is Villa.
Villa.
Experience the cycling experience.
Okay.
The village. So we will see really a local livelihood there.
Okay, local life, and we're gonna get a good workout, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? All right. I got shotgun with Hasbi because look at this bad boy, 2018, chrome wheels, black silver top. So right now we're crossing to the fish market. It smells amazing. This is the biggest mass in the west of Nusa Tenggara, also known as the Islamic Center. And he was telling me everyone prays 5 times a day. Yeah. And back in America, I think I used to go to mass on Sundays. I am Catholic, but what they do is they go to mass every Friday at 12:30. So from 12:30 to 1, everyone all over Indonesia, let's say, will go to mass together to pray for half an hour. And that's the weekly prayer that everyone gets together and gathers with. So that's kind of cool. Oh, okay. Oh, massage? Shake it off, shake it off. Yeah, massage? Hello. Chris. Nice to meet you, Paro. Oh my God. I want to just get my backpack off real quick. Oh. All right, so this is our spot. These are our bikes. That is the trail. And we start. Oh my God. I haven't ridden a bicycle probably in like a long time. This is interesting. It's so beautiful out here though. There's so many rice fields and yeah, less vlogging. I'm gonna run into something. Oh my goodness. It's like rice fields everywhere. Is there traditional baskets?
Yeah.
Oh, these are for the prayers that you see all over Bali, all over Indonesia. You see this on the ground, you see people use this to pray, all right. And they put money in it and donations, right? Okay. Just got a little Pikachu t-shirt. I love it. Gotta catch them all. Back in high school, I used to make like hemp necklaces. I think this is a little tougher actually.
Pegang ini.
Yeah.
Here, dimasukin di sini.
And then after that, we're gonna go down this road. Look at the beautiful rice fields out here for days. Oh my goodness.
We ended up leaving and trekking away from the rice field and headed to the Lingsa Cloth Temple, which I may be saying wrong, in Bilabante village. It's a 300-year-old Hindu temple and it was pretty awesome to see.
Wow, it looks old. 100 years old banyan tree. Wow. That's older than me. Now I think we're gonna have some coconuts around here. They prepped some coconuts for us. More of a refreshing hydration after an amazing bike ride. We get some coconuts right here. We got Hasby right back here too. Coconut time. Cheers, everyone. Cheers. Coconuts. So we just had some awesome coconuts. I feel refreshed. I'm probably gonna have to use the bathroom 20 times in the next hour, but it's okay, I'm hydrated. Now we're gonna go through the irrigation area, the beautiful rice fields irrigation area, and we're gonna end near the fish market. So this is gonna be a fun bike ride. Yeah, this part I said no to. Beast mode. Beast mode. Look at these guys. Look how narrow that is. Oh my God, a little girl. Susie was a great girl. We lost Susie. Oh my God, solid ground. Gotta make it, gotta make it, gotta make it. Oh, I've never been this happy to see solid ground. So this is the 5 Bridge.
Yeah, 5 Bridge.
Basically the water irrigation center here. So this filters all the water specifically in this location. What Sony's telling me that there's a lot of different irrigation places like this all throughout Lombok, which basically focuses on each village essentially. But this is the 5 Bridge water irrigation. It's like the Baby Hoover Dam. Ready to go?
Yes.
Okay. So the road shouldn't be too bad now. We're about to head to basically a river with a cave, and then we're gonna end at the last spot, which is gonna be the fishing market. So it's like 2 minutes later, literally. And now we are in the cave, heading to the cave. God. And that is the cave that you get once you come down here. It's not that difficult, honestly. It really isn't that difficult. But yeah, this is the river with the cave. Little mini waterfalls.
There are many catfish.
Catfish in the cave?
Yeah, catfish.
Oh, wow. Let's go back up.
Careful the hole.
Yep. Oh yeah, that would be bad to fall. Jesus. The fearless leader. Heading back up. I gotta put this camera away. She's got her like purse in one hand, her backpack behind her. This is total LA right here. That's a pretty nice purse too. Oh my God. Now I think we're gonna head to one of the fishing markets. I think there's a lot of fishermen there and whatnot, so let's check it out. Where are our bikes? Someone took our bikes. Oh man. Look at the size of that leaf. I would love to be fanned by that, especially right now. I'm a sweater too, so.
We ended up making it out to Bilabante's fishing market. It was an awesome time there. On Sundays, you're able to play games, which they have all over the place. Sony ended up catching a fish. We had an awesome, awesome lunch there. Shortly after, they took us back to Kebun Villas to end our night.
Oh man, oh my God, your flip-flop broke. This is a great 2 days. Thank you so much, guys. Sony.
You're welcome.
This was so much fun. This was honestly so much fun.
It's been a pleasure for us.
Yeah, no, thank you. Eka Tours. If you're coming to Lombok, definitely check out Eka Tours. This was one of my best tour guides, one of my favorite tour guides.
Okay.
Hasby.
Gokil, we are so Gokil. Gokil is crazy but cool still.
Cool and crazy. Cool and crazy. That's the way to go. This was amazing, guys. This was so much fun, honestly. These were great. Thank you, guys. Bye, guys. All right, so we just made it back. It was an amazing time with Eka Tours the last couple days. Yeah, we are heading to our 1-bedroom private villa. I'll give you guys a quick tour right now what it looks like. Yeah, they surprised us with an upgrade yesterday. And yeah, we got an upgrade and we got an awesome 1-bedroom villa, which I'll show you guys right this way. So this is our Sauna Villa at Kebun Villas. Check it out with me. We got Sauna number 5, set up the privacy sign. Walking right through, this is the entrance. And this is one of my favorite villas ever. Let's go. So you walk right in here and you get the living space. I'll close this door real quick. We'll keep the air in. So you get this beautiful living space. You have like a little dining room table over there. Back there we have a little area where I can do some work. Right here we got a little counter cabinet. We got a little fridge in here too. And it's kind of cool. All the drinks are free. So I don't know if it's just for us or everyone, but all the drinks were free right in the fridge. Right back there, if you want to pan that way real quick, we got a beautiful television with some speakers. There's a DVD player, and this is the living quarters right over here. So you get to hang out on the couch,
watch some TV. And this is an amazing living area that you have to host people, to have parties, whatever you want. This place is beautiful. Let's go this way into the pool area. Coming right through these doors, you get the beautiful private pool. So you get a couple chairs right over here, and this is the private pool with a seahorse spitting water out. Oh, the water feels amazing. We're gonna get in later. Let's go this way to the bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. Walking right this way, you have a little couch right over here. You have a television if you want to show that real quick. And this is the king-size bed. Love, very romantic. So it's super nice. You can wake up, you see the pool over there, you have the living area over there. Walk right into the pool, kind of wakes you up when you jump in. Let's go this way. And this is kind of a nice little space. There's a safe over there to keep your personal belongings. You have a cabinet over here. You can put all your stuff here. Obviously it's a little bit messy, but it's okay. On this side I was doing my editing over here, but it's probably a spot for cosmetics, for a girl to put her makeup on. It's my office space. Walking back in here, I pride bathrooms. I love bathrooms, and this bathroom is amazing. Check it out. You got a tub right over here. I'm not sure if this is marble or what this is, but this is a beautiful tub right over here. Yeah, sink right over here. I'm not sure if this is marble, but this is the same thing that the tub is made out of. So this is a beautiful, beautiful sink. This is made out of wood too, so you can put your stuff on top. Right over here you have a little toilet. You have a little stand over here. And then you have a beautiful waterfall shower right in there. So this is gonna be our second night here in the villa. They ended up hooking us up yesterday and we got a little upgrade, so we're gonna be here for 2 more nights and then we head back to Bali. Unfortunately, Melissa's gonna be leaving back to LA, but yeah, this is our home for the next 2 more days. Oh, that's still, oh my God. Oh, no. It started raining, but that couldn't dampen our mood. Kebun Villas was an absolute perfect stay, as was our 5 nights there. We couldn't have been happier with our experience out in Lombok. From our tours to our villa, it was perfect. Shortly after, we left to have dinner at one of our favorite spots and ended the night. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.